Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Here we'll see a very interesting feature of Google Photo, that is how to blur your image like we see in portrait blur in the cameras by the help of Google Photos. So let us see how to do that. So I open my Google Photos here. I'll simply go here and go for photos, and in photos, for example, I select this one. Yeah. So here what I'll do is, here you can see there is something called edit. Here, this button, I'll simply press on edit, and here I'll go to actions, and in actions a lot of things will come up like crop, magic eraser, unblur, all these things. I'll simply go for portrait blur. You can see here this is called portrait blur. I'll simply click here and you can see it will automatically create a blur kind of image for you to see, and if you want you can maneuver or you can change the intensity of your blur by simply scrolling this meter or scrolling this scale. So for example, if I want more blurred image which doesn't actually feels good, but still if you want to see, you can see 91 or 100% blur, means nothing would be seen in the background, only your picture will be seen. One interesting thing is you can see that the Google Photo is automatically recognizing that this is your face and body, and rest of the image in the background it is simply blurring it out. So it is a kind of artificial intelligence, you can see. So if I go for 0, you can see the original picture, it is not blurring anything. So you can put it in between something or somewhere here where it seems as if things are blurred, as if it has been taken by a very great technique by some DSLR. You can see, I think this is good. And if you would ask me, then I will say that go for the blur that Google Photo itself provides or Google Photo itself decides. You can see it has decided 29 points. I think this is good enough. 1 or 2 points here and there, that will be good enough to look natural like a DSLR photo. Don't make it more than like 30, 40 or something. So this is, I think, good enough for me. 26. Yeah, this seems quite natural. So this is how you blur picture on Google. Let me, for example, take it to save this photo. Yeah, it has been saved. You have to save here, save as a copy, and then your photo would be saved like this. You can see this is the blurry image or a portrait blur image that I've created just now in Google Photos. This is the original one and this is the blurred one, slightly blurred, a tint of blur is there. Let me go for another photo, for example this one. Let me edit again, edit, I'll go for actions, and in actions I'll go for portrait blur. Let me see how Google Photo decides. Yeah, so you can see now it is 13 points. So Google Photo decides according to the situation, according to the color, depth and the composition of the photo, until how many points it has to keep it blurred. It is not going for 29 here because it's a small depth image where more blurring would cause quite unnatural kind of photo. So here you can see it has decided 13 points. So I'll go here 1 or 2 points here and there and adjust, for example maybe 17. Yeah, this seems to be quite natural, as if it has been taken by a good quality DSLR. I'll simply tick here and don't forget to save as copy. So friends, this is how you blur an image in Google Photos. So I hope you learned something out of this video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to the channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.